Assalamu alaikum. My name is Daniel Yusuf. I am a student of International Medical University, fourth semester MBBS. Today we will discuss about anti-gout drugs. Purines perform many important functions in the cell, being the formation of the monomeric precursors of nucleic acid, DNA, and RNA. Purines, which also contribute to modulate energy metabolism and signal transduction. Purines are structural components of some coenzymes and has been shown to play important role in the physiology of platelets, muscles, neurotransmitters. All cell requires a balanced quantity of purines for growth, proliferation, and survival. Under physiological condition of enzyme involved in the purine metabolism, maintain in a cell a balanced ratio between their synthesis and degradation. In human, the final compound of purine catabolism is uric acid. After all other mammals possess the enzyme uricase that convert uric acid to allantoin that is easily eliminated through urine. Our production of uric acid generated from the metabolism of purine has been proven to play emerging role in human disease. In fact, the increase of serum uric acid is inversely associated with disease severity and especially with the cardiovascular disease state. The enzymatic pathway involved in the degradation of purines getting into their structure and biochemistry until the uric acid formation. In human, final compound of purine catabolism is uric acid. That can we see. The purine catabolism, almost all uric acid is filtered from the glomeruli, while post-glomerular reabsorption and secretion regulate the amount of uric acid excretion. The proximal tubule is the site of uric acid reabsorption and secretion, and approximately 90% is reabsorbed into the blood. Gout is a rheumatic disease that results from an excess body burden of uric acid or a hyperuricemia, which commonly manifests as recurrent episodes of acute joint pain and inflammation secondary to the deposit of monosodium urate crystals or toffee in the synovial fluid and lining. Hyperuricemia is caused by an increased production or a decreased excretion of uric acid or both. Topaz is a monosodium urate concretion in the joint. Sign and symptom of gouts. Any joint can be affected by gout, but it usually affects joints toward the end of the limbs, such as toe, ankle, knee, and fingers. Sign and symptom of gout include severe pain in one and more joints, the joint feeling hot and very tender, swelling in and around the affecting joint, red, shiny skin over the affected joint. Symptoms develop rapidly over a few or typically last 3 to 10 days. After this time, the pain should pass and the joint should return to normal. Almost everyone with gout will experience further attacks at some points, usually within an year. Furthermore, renal involvement of gout due to the monosodium urate MCU deposition in the urinary tract can result in urolithiasis. Urinary obstruction. Hyperuricemia is caused by an increased production or decreased excretion of uric acid or both. Under excretion, the most common cause is throughout to account for 80 to 90% of uricemia. Although the risk of developing gout increases the chronicity and increase concentrations of uric acid in the blood. Not all patients with uricemia will develop gout. Uric acid, norm in blood, micromole per liter. Male 200 to 420, female 140 to 340. Diagnosis. For a definitive diagnosis of gout, urate crystal must be demonstrated in the synovial fluid in the topus. Synovial fluid should be analyzed by a polarized light microscope. Once the differentiative diagnosis has been made, repeat attack do not require diagnostic aspiration unless there is a suspicious of joint sepsis, A normal or low serum urate does not exclude the diagnosis of acute gout because the concentration may not be elevated during an acute attack. Class of anti-gout drugs: xanthine oxidase inhibitor, allopurinol, fabax, febuxostat, uricosuric agents. The primary uricosuric drugs include probenecid, ben, benzobromazone, and sulfenpyrazone. Secondly, uricosuric drugs with other primary uses that have non-uricosuric properties include losartan, atorvastatin, and fenofibrate. The purine catabolism reduce the production of uric acid by inhibiting an enzyme called xanthine oxidase, which is responsible for converting purine into uric acid. Allopurinol, fabu, fabuoxostat, xanthine oxidase is an enzyme that catalyzes the oxidation of xanthine to uric acid. Name: prescription name, xanthine oxidase inhibitor, allopurinol tablet 100 milligram to 300 milligram, powder for injection 500 milligram parental dose, half life 1 to 2 hour. Faxostat, febuxostat 40 to 80 mg, parental dose, powdered for injection 500 mg, half life 5 to 8 hour. Xanthine oxidase inhibitor side effect: most common ankle, knee, or great toe joint pain, joint stiffness or swelling, rash with flat lesion or small raised lesion on the skin, rare. Agitation, ammonia like breath odor, anxiety, bleeding gums, blistering, peeling or loosening of the skin, blood in the urine or stools, bloody nose, bloody or black tarry stool.